We're live this morning. Look at that. We're live this morning at Mathis Brothers in Ontario for a Spark of Love toy drive, and you have a chance to drop off a toy and bring a smile to a local child's face. You can also stop by, say hello to Brandi, and say thank you to our firefighters. It's 5:01 right now in the morning. Good morning to you. This morning, we need your help to stuff a bus.
The Spark of Love toy drive is underway in Ontario this morning, and Eyewitness News reporter Brandi Hitt joins us live from Mathis Brothers on Inland Empire Boulevard. Good morning, Brandi.
Oh, good morning, Philip and Leslie. It's such a great day here, and now I am with the lovely employees, workers, staff of All Pro Plumbing, Heating, Air, and Electrical. They do it all, including making donations to Spark of Love. Dan Chavez, thank you so much for being here today. What do you have with you?
I have a check here for $500. Thank you to the community. Thank you to all our employees here who came out this morning. It's a great event, opportunity to help the community and our children. All Pro Plumbing, Heating and Air, and Electrical. Thank Angie Black and Richard Black, the owners, for giving us the opportunity to be here. Just a wonderful event.
Well, thank you for donating again this year. You should see all the employees and the trucks that they brought in. This is a huge staff this morning. And I was asking them, you know, how was it waking up this morning? They're like, we're always up at this hour. Are you kidding me? So to have them come down here and make the donation, thank you so much, you guys. We have matching necklaces as well. We coordinated this. Behind in the distance, check it out. You can see that giant flag hanging from the Ontario Fire Department. The ladders up there, Philip and Leslie. It's my goal to get on the ladder. Next hour, 6 a.m. I don't know how high, but it's my goal to get on the ladder. We'll see if it happens.